You don't need to break a bank before you enjoy yourself. Omo, try this delicious, simple, inexpensive Sapa rice. I call this Sapa because you don't need to give out much and it doesn't even stress you at all. But the yummy taste, you're going to love it. Try it out and I know you're going to enjoy it. So let's prepare it. Add vegetable oil into the pot. Add your diced onion and garlic. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add your chili powder, crayfish powder,
a bit of
water, and stir everything together. Fry for about 5 minutes. Now add curry, thyme, seasoning mixture, salt. Give it a good stir. Shout out to Abayomi David. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment. It might be the next one on my shout out. It's now time to add water. Cover and boil. Now that it's boiling, it's now time to add your well-washed rice. Make sure you wash your rice very well. Now add your rice into the sauce.
Not already well-washed rice now.
What you're looking at now is sardine. Yes, we are using sardine for this rice. Add your sardine into it. Seasoning, sliced onion. Now cover and boil. You can see the water is almost dried up. Now open and stir together gently. Taste for salt and adjust to your tastes. Now cover your rice properly. If you have a cling film, you can use it. If you don't have, no problem. Cover your pot and steam your rice until it is well done. That is it. The aroma I'm having here with this super delicious sardine Sapa rice. You don't need any fried meat or fish for this. We have the fish already in this rice. It's now time to serve the rice. Now get your spoon. Join me. Get your favorite drink and enjoy this delicious rice. It tastes super yummy and it is stress-free. Thanks for watching.